Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it and click on one of these themes, for example that one. Name it, click OK Creative and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. You can change run style, add pattern, animation speed, adjust border size and many other things. When you're done you can even adjust it to the notch. And in order to leave your current wallpaper, pick one of these sources, like photos. Select a photo, adjust it and click at the top right corner. When you're done, click Create. Now tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then tap on Apply. And now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Now tap Yes, click on the switcher next to Draw Over Other Apps, go back, click on the switcher one more time and wait. As you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!